Traveling with kids can be an exhilarating adventure, but it also requires careful planning to ensure everyone has a fantastic time. Fortunately, the United States is a treasure trove of family-friendly destinations and activities, catering to a wide range of interests and age groups. From iconic theme parks to national parks, interactive museums, and historical sites, there's something for every family to enjoy. In part 1 of this video, we'll explore some of the best family-friendly vacation destinations and activities across America, and part 2 will focus on 10 tips for traveling with kids. Let's dive right in. Orlando, Florida is often hailed as the theme park capital of the world, and for good reason. It's home to some of the most famous family-friendly attractions, including Walt Disney World Resort, Universal Orlando Resort, and SeaWorld Orlando. These parks offer thrilling rides, live shows, and opportunities to meet beloved characters from movies and television. Families can immerse themselves in the enchanting worlds of Disney. Try exploring the wizarding world of Harry Potter, or get up close to marine life. For families who enjoy the great outdoors, Yellowstone National Park is a must-visit destination. Known for its geothermal wonders like Old Faithful, stunning waterfalls, and diverse wildlife, Yellowstone offers endless opportunities for exploration and adventure. Families can hike, bike, camp, and even go wildlife spotting. The park's Junior Ranger program provides an educational and fun experience for kids, teaching them about the natural world and conservation. Washington, D.C. is a fantastic destination for families interested in history, culture, and politics. The city is home to numerous free attractions, including the Smithsonian Museums, National Zoo, and iconic monuments like the Lincoln Memorial and the Washington Monument. Exploring the rich history and diverse cultures on display in the museums is both entertaining and educational for kids. Don't forget to visit the National Air and Space Museum, where budding astronauts can marvel at space artifacts and interactive exhibits. San Diego is an ideal destination for families seeking sun, sand, and sea. With its year-round pleasant climate, the city offers a variety of outdoor activities, including beautiful beaches, hiking trails, and water sports. The San Diego Zoo and Safari Park are renowned for their conservation efforts and offer a chance for kids to see exotic animals up close. Additionally, Legoland California Resort provides a unique theme park experience with rides and attractions inspired by the beloved building blocks. New York City may not be the first place that comes to mind when thinking about family travel, but it has a wealth of family-friendly activities to offer. Central Park is a vast playground where kids can run, bike, and explore the Central Park Zoo. The American Museum of Natural History is another great stop for families, featuring dinosaur fossils and interactive exhibits. Broadway shows are not just for adults. Many productions offer family-friendly performances that will leave kids in awe. The Grand Canyon is one of the world's most breathtaking natural wonders and a fantastic destination for families. While hiking down into the canyon may not be suitable for all children, there are plenty of rimside trails with spectacular views. The Junior Ranger program here provides an opportunity for kids to learn about geology, ecology, and Native American history while earning a badge. Additionally, helicopter tours and mule rides offer unique perspectives of the canyon. Chicago is home to some of the country's most impressive museums, making it a fantastic destination for curious young minds. The Museum of Science and Industry is a hands-on wonderland with interactive exhibits, while the Shedd Aquarium offers a chance to explore aquatic life. Kids will also enjoy Millennium Park, home to the iconic Cloud Gate sculpture, affectionately known as the Bean, and the interactive Crown Fountain. Boston is rich in American history, making it an educational and entertaining destination for families. The Freedom Trail is a 2.5-mile-long path that winds through the city, connecting 16 significant historical sites, including the Paul Revere House and the USS Constitution Museum. Boston also has a plethora of family-friendly museums, such as the Boston Children's Museum and the Museum of Science. Hawaii is a paradise for families seeking a tropical getaway, and Honolulu, on the island of Oahu, is a great starting point. The beautiful beaches provide opportunities for swimming, snorkeling, and building sand castles. The Honolulu Zoo and Waikiki Aquarium offer family-friendly animal encounters, and a visit to the Pearl Harbor National Memorial provides a history lesson with a powerful impact. Nashville, often called Music City, is not just for music enthusiasts, it's also a family-friendly destination. Families can explore the Country Music Hall of Fame, catch a live music performance, or take a riverboat cruise along the Cumberland River. The Nashville Zoo and Adventure Science Center offers exciting experiences for kids of all ages. Now on to part 2 of this video, 10 tips for traveling with kids. 1. Pre-trip familiarization. Before your trip, introduce your child to aspects of the journey, like the mode of transportation, the destination, and even the type of food they might encounter. This can help reduce anxiety. 2. Plan ahead. Make an itinerary that includes a balance of activities suitable for kids and adults. 3. Snacks and water. Always carry snacks and water for your kids, especially during flights or road trips. Hungry or thirsty children can become irritable quickly. 4. Keep them involved. Involve your children in the trip planning process. Show them pictures of the destination and get them excited about the journey. 5. Child locator devices. Consider using child locator devices like GPS trackers or Bluetooth tags. These can be discreetly attached to your child's clothing or belongings and help you keep tabs on their location in crowded places. 6. Timing is key. Try to schedule flights or long drives during your child's nap time or bedtime. This can lead to a more peaceful journey. 7. Take breaks. If you're flying long haul, consider breaking up the journey with a layover. It can give everyone a chance to rest and recharge. 8. Stay comfortable. Choose family-friendly accommodations with amenities like pools and kids' clubs. 9. Educational opportunities. Look for opportunities to make the trip educational, such as junior ranger programs at national parks. 10. Give them responsibility. Depending on their age, give your child a small responsibility during the trip, like holding the map, keeping track of an itinerary, or taking photos. In conclusion, traveling with kids can be a rewarding experience. Whether your family is interested in adventure, history, nature, or culture, the United States offers a diverse range of experiences that will create lasting memories for everyone. With careful planning and a sense of adventure, your family can embark on unforgettable journeys together. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to GlobeTick and leave your comments below. See you in the next video.